สวัสดีค่ะอ่ะเดี๋ยวมาโกดิ when you see any no problem okay okay already come so now today okay เดี๋ยวนะสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ Cosmely Lotus Spa รุชา Tanzania today I have training about the 3 steps how you take care your face how is to be clean scrub and facial okay so we are Lotus Spa we have the product the step for cleansing every day or daily day you can use this one is soft avocado soft is good for face and body okay and this scrub you can do 2 times in the week okay and this one is good for jelly aloe vera jelly is natural product and then it's good for pimple it's good for dry skin and all skin even you have the allergic skin this one is good but when you want to use the product you have to continue not only to do 1 week and then you say why is not working the product for forever living is working after you continue every day silasiku okay so today I show you how to clean scrub and also you guys about sunscreen is important sunscreen you can use in the morning after you clean you wash your face and then you put sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin from sun from spotlight and from phone is have we call blue light okay is all the time we stay with sim or telephone okay this one is protect from all light spotlight or sun and protect your skin okay the step so this the model so when you want to do the facial okay two of them okay you clean this is natural skin okay so I do scrub for her okay ma'am sorry Annie sorry can I move this way you play this okay this one is scrub okay scrub when you scrub your customer or you scrub for your friend or your sister your husband okay put up and scrub put water this the product the scrub is mixed with aloe vera is good for all skin dry skin oily skin sensitive skin or yote Tanzania we call yote or okay this is step like a cleansing scrub mommy come here okay so we scrub when we scrub until neck okay This is Forever Living Product Scrub and smooth and have natural oil. Everywhere we scrub and then scrub like a cream. Open skin and then you put warm water. Is internet okay, Eva? Okay, we clean. Okay, now is skin clean. Wow, so nice. Okay, and then after that we do for, I want to apply her by aloe vera jelly. This is facial by Lotus Spa. The treatment is Forever Living product. You see movement? Can say something from your phone. Facial Forever. Okay, so now this one we call drain. We drain. This is aloe vera jelly for all the skin and natural. Drain lymphatic. This will drain lymphatic. Okay, this skin already get very nice for aloe vera. Another step we put marks, the marine marks. Okay, this is marine mark. We put water a little bit. This one always stuck. You stuck up for you. The cleansing, after cleansing or after scrub, make sure you compress with warm water. The warm water is open skin. When you open skin already, you put moisturizer or you put jelly or you put mark, is the vitamin to go to the skin. Okay, now we leave for 15 minutes. Okay, let's cosmically talking about the product. Forget to put my head down. Okay, so the diary, okay, is diary for your face. The simple way. Okay, this is the when you have pimple or you have dry skin. This is I recommend you to use avocado soap. Okay, avocado soap, and then when you use avocado soap already, you put aloe vera jelly. After aloe vera jelly, you put sunscreen to protect your skin in the morning. Okay, and evening the same set, you clean with avocado soap and then you put aloe vera gel. This is the set. This is the set for natural product. Okay, for natural product. Come to shopping with Lotus Spa, Arusha, Tanzania. In the Bruga Farm, we have cosmetic shop. We have the day spa here. We have for all the product for cosmetic and spa product. So you come to shopping, you get free back massage, you get free foot massage, you get free pedicure, manicure, you get free is head massage, and also we are Lotus Spa. We have salon, we have hair color, haircut, pedicure, manicure, and all day spa by trainer from Thailand. Cosmically, I have experience and training the girls spa beauty therapist at Arusha, Tanzania. You're welcome to shopping with us for promotion for for January 2021. Thank you, and Karibu Sana. And this one you have, please? Hand soap. Okay, this is hand soap. Hand soap. This one is 473 ml. You can use with your family home. This is hand soap. One drop is clean for all family. Okay, and also this one make clean for your teeth. Okay, you're welcome, and Karibu Sana to Lotus Spa, Arusha, Tanzania. You're welcome. ขอบคุณค่ะ cut. No problem.